Hi guys, welcome to my channel Love Yourself. Today I have bring you a very effective remedy that it will not just help you to remove pimple, but it also going to help you to make skin glowing. And all this is going to possible when you will follow this remedy step by step. So everybody know potato juice or potato peel is good for skin. So in this video I will tell you to use the potato peel paste. So I will tell 4 steps step by step. In first step you have to take a potato and then wash it with a cold water and then take a potato peel and grind it in a grinder. In second step, wash the face thoroughly before applying the paste, and in third, leave a paste on your face for 20 minutes, and in fourth step, wash your face with a loke of warm water. And this procedure you have to continue for 15 to 20 days, and believe me guys, within these days you will get a satisfied result. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching guys, and love you.